Hello friends, welcome once again to our channel and today's topic is national income. So today I will discuss all about the national income. So before I start, let me tell you guys, national income is a very important topic for all the competitive exams. So it's very important to clear all your basic knowledge about national income. So I will start from the basics. Now first let you understand what is national income. National income is the money value of goods and services produces in a country in a year, and it also includes net earned foreign income. That means in India, the total money value of goods and services produced in a year, that money value plus the net earned foreign income. The summation of all those two will give you the national income. So I hope this is clear to everyone. The concept of what is national income is clear to everyone. Now moving on, there is another important topic, another important term that is called gross domestic product, or you guys you know it as GDP. Now let me tell you what is GDP. GDP is the goods and services produces in a year, in a particular year in a country. The money value of that is known as the GDP of that particular country in a year. So again, the GDP is the total money value of goods and services produces in a year in a country, but in GDP there is no additions of net earned foreign income. So that's the basic difference between national income and GDP. I hope this is clear to everyone. By the way, in GDP wise, India is the third largest country after China and USA. Okay. Next, there is another important term that is called GNP, which is gross national product. Now, what is GNP? What is gross national product? The GNP is the total value of goods and services produced by the nationals of a country. So, in GDP, there is the money value of goods and services produced in a country, and in GNP, the money value of goods and services produced by the nationals of the country. Means the people of India will produce the goods, and the money value of that goods and services will considered here. Now I will discuss equations with you all guys, so you all can understand what is the difference between GDP and GNP. So the equation is GNP equal to GDP plus X minus M. This is the equations between GNP and GDP. Now the question is, you guys know what is GNP, you guys know what is GDP. Now the question is, what is this X and what is this M? So let me tell you, X is the income by the nationals in foreign country. Means any Indian is earning money in any foreign land, that will considered as X. And M is the money collected in the country by the foreigners. Means if any foreigner travels in India and he's spending money in India, that collections or that money value will come as M. So this is the basic knowledge, basic concept regarding national income, GDP and GNP. Now there is one more term which is NNP. Now what is NNP? You will get NNP. NNP is the full form of NNP is net national product. Now what is NNP? You will get NNP by subtracting depreciation from GNP. Means if you subtract depreciations from from gross national product, you will get NNP or net national product. So this is the basic concept of GDP, GNP and NNP. I hope this much is clear to everyone. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.